In a world where languages are the keys to unlocking global connections, AI has become the ultimate language learning accelerator, saving professionals like you countless hours and opening doors to new opportunities. As of 2026, AI-powered language learning tools have become more accessible and affordable than ever, offering free methods to kickstart your language learning journey. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can now learn over 100 languages at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. But which free method should you try first? Let's dive into the top 5 AI-powered language learning tools that will revolutionize your learning process. Method 1. Google Translate. Google Translate is an AI giant in the language learning space, offering a free mobile app and web platform that translates text, speech, and even images. To get started, download the Google Translate app on your smartphone or access it on your computer. Tap on the Converse feature and select